Here's how a proper espresso is made. Well, it starts with the beans, and these Arabica beans get shipped in direct from the farms in countries such as Nicaragua, Colombia, and Ethiopia. These beans are specifically naturally processed, which means the fruit stays around the beans during fermentation, or call it flavor development. Something important here is coffee doesn't just appear. Understand, it's laborious and back-breaking work. Once the bags are organized, the roaster decides on how to ratio them for blending, and then these unroasted beans are poured into the green hopper, which feed them directly into the roaster. After 15 minutes, the tray opens and lets the beans into the cooling tray, which is such a pretty process to watch. From the cooling tray, these roasted beans move up into the destoner, which essentially vacuums up the beans and leaves behind everything else. From here, the beans are poured into a pail for transport into the weigh-in cell for bagging, with the weight of the beans automatically chosen by the machine, which makes life so much easier for the roaster. These bags will either get used by the shop or sent to a partner location, and now the coffee beans are freshly ground in the grinder. We then insert the portafilter into the automatic tamper to compress the grounds. The portafilter is then locked into the espresso machine, where hot, pressurized water is forced to the coffee grounds. The rich espresso flows into a dosing cup, and from there, it's promptly poured into a demi-tasse cup, or as you may call it, a mini coffee mug. And there you have it. I was quite pleased with the single origin from Think Coffee. Check if there's a location near you and give it a try.